going to be exploring how to make a red velvet cake using Caroline's cake mix.
Chef Myra is going to be supervising us behind the scenes. Hope you enjoy.
Okay.
So we are going to be using
margarine, but you can use any other thing, but I also going to be using margarine, milk, and 3 eggs. But you can also use, if you don't have margarine, you can use vegetable oil or butter, and if you don't have milk, you can also use water.
And
kindly follow the instructions given behind the packet because they are easy to follow and they're like, let's do this!
First, I'm going to pour into any bowl that you have. Did you ever know that we are going to add 3 eggs. And then next I'm going to be adding milk.
And we are going to add some oil.
Then you'll stir everything to combine. It should look like this.
The reason I love using the Caroline's cake mix is because you don't need to be an expert to use it, and you can use what you have. Like for example, you use the mwiko to stir, and we are going to be using a sufuria to bake.
just pour. Okay. Make sure you get everything in there.
Make sure you get everything in there.
We heated our oven just like as the instructions said,
and now I'm going to put our cake mix inside the oven. This is what we were looking for. I'm going to wait it to cook. Started.
Just do whatever it is that you guys want to do.
And then pour it on.
for the test.